This is it. What was your skincare routine this morning?
What's that?
Oh, that was great. It was dry a bit.
It's time to go IKEA. Oh, I have to listen because the sun is up. It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
We are home. Yay. First thing first, let's cut it. Tayo. Na okay lang. This one, kakasya ko yung Coco Pops ko sa loob. Wait, tingnan natin kung kasya. Okay, ganito siya. I think it's not gonna fit. Hindi siya kasya, guys. Wait. So we need to move all the stuff in the center because we're gonna move the table. Yeah. Did you get that? This thing we could. Because I'm gonna take this out, so yeah. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Oh, sa mon dati sa Ha? Tada! Instruction.
Because I really like. Okay. kuya. Daddy gonna be proud of me because I do it alone. Can you see that? Galing ko. Ay, no! Perfect, bro. Like this one here. So I got planned thinking about like my iPad here, something like that. Huh? Hindi siya cute. Bye-bye. So it's supposed to be like this. So I can put like something in here, like my drawing or something, or like a picture. So I was thinking about this guy. So let's see how it looks. Stickers! I got more stickers. No, I need to decorate this one. Watching offline TV. Oi.